10 Scotland's hidden secrets that will blow your mind. Scotland is a land where history and legend sit side by side, weaving a landscape that feels both familiar and mysterious. From rolling highlands to ancient towns, the country hides stories and locations that don't always make the guidebooks. Yet these places offer some of the most surprising glimpses into Scotland's layered past. Today, we're traveling beyond the well-known castles and famous lochs to uncover a selection of hidden secrets, quiet wonders, forgotten corners, and unusual discoveries that show just how endlessly fascinating Scotland truly is. 10. Scotland's Underground Street, Mary King's Close, Edinburgh. Right beneath the busy Royal Mile lies something most visitors never imagine: a forgotten world sealed away for centuries. Mary King's Close is an authentic 17th-century street, buried when new buildings were constructed over the old. Instead of demolishing it, the city simply built upward, leaving homes, workshops, and passageways preserved beneath modern Edinburgh. Walking through it today feels like stepping into a time machine. The stone floors are worn smooth by long-departed residents, doorways stand frozen in time, and rooms still show the marks of everyday life. The Close tells a rich factual story of how Edinburgh dealt with overcrowding, disease, and rapid expansion. Its preservation makes it one of the most astonishing urban secrets in Scotland, a hidden neighborhood sitting right under people's feet. 9. The Stone that turns itself, the Carlin Stone, Scotlandwell. Near the village of Scotlandwell in Fife sits a leaning boulder known as the Carlin Stone, tied deeply to Scottish folklore. Its name is connected to the Cailleach, a figure representing winter, weather, and the raw forces of nature. For generations, villagers believed this stone moved slightly at certain times of the year, especially during seasonal transitions. While there's no proven evidence that the stone physically rotates, the legend has survived because of its unusual tilt and the natural shifts in the ground beneath it. Even today, its shape and position feel purposeful, almost watchful. This blend of geology and mythology makes the Carlin Stone one of Scotland's quiet mysteries, a reminder of how strongly the landscape and old traditions are intertwined. 8. The Pyramid Hidden in the Highlands, Balmoral's Secret Cairn. Deep in the forest surrounding Balmoral Estate stands something you'd never expect to find in the Scottish countryside: a full-sized stone pyramid. Built in 1862 as a memorial to Prince Albert, it stands tall on a hill overlooking the landscape, blending Scottish cairn tradition with a striking geometric design. The cairn is completely factual, still standing today, and remains one of several memorial stones placed around the Balmoral grounds. But this one is the most dramatic, rising sharply against the quiet Highland backdrop. It feels almost surreal, a shape associated with desert civilizations sitting in the middle of pine forests and heather. Although it's not widely advertised, visitors who find it often describe the experience as stepping into a hidden chapter of Scotland's royal history. 7. The Loch with a Floating Island, Loch Lomond's Island a Pathaich. Loch Lomond is one of Scotland's most beloved natural landmarks, but tucked among its many islands is a lesser-known curiosity. Island a Pathaich is a small island partly supported by peat, which gives it buoyant qualities. Historical accounts describe it as floating or shifting slightly with wind and water flow. While the island doesn't drift in a dramatic way today, the underlying peat structure is real and still contributes to its lightness. This unusual formation offers a fascinating glimpse into Scotland's natural diversity, a reminder that even in well-traveled places, hidden secrets remain. The island's movement is subtle now, but the stories about it reflect the region's long history of people observing and interacting with the landscape. 6. The Hidden Viking. Chess piece, The Lewis Chessman Mystery. When a collection of medieval chess pieces was unearthed on the Isle of Lewis in 1831, nobody expected them to become one of Scotland's most iconic archaeological discoveries. The Lewis chessmen, carved from walrus ivory and whale teeth, date back to the late 12th or early 13th century. Scholars widely agree they originated in Norse-occupied territories, likely made in what is now Norway. But how did these finely crafted pieces end up buried in sand on a remote Scottish island? That part remains unknown. The most likely theory is that they belonged to a merchant traveling by sea who hid them for safekeeping or lost them in a storm. Their craftsmanship is extraordinary. Expressive faces, intricate armor, and lifelike postures. Today, the pieces are displayed between the British Museum and the National Museum of Scotland, but the mystery of their arrival continues to spark curiosity. 5. The Cave That Sings. Fingal's Cave, Staffa. Fingal's Cave is one of Scotland's natural masterpieces, formed entirely by nature, yet shaped with the precision of an architect's hand. Located on the uninhabited island of Staffa, the cave is built from thousands of interlocking basalt columns created by ancient volcanic activity. These columns match those found across the sea at the Giant's Causeway, both part of the same geological formation. What makes Fingal's Cave unique is its acoustics. Waves rolling inside produce deep, echoing tones that sound almost musical. This inspired numerous artists, including composer Felix Mendelssohn, who wrote an overture after visiting. The cave's structure amplifies sound in a way that feels almost magical. A natural performance hall where the ocean itself becomes the musician. It remains one of Scotland's greatest geological wonders. 4. A Secret Garden. Lost for a century, the hidden gardens of Cawdor Castle. Cawdor Castle, already famous for its literary connection to Macbeth, hides a lesser-known treasure, an enclosed garden that vanished from maps and memory for generations. During careful restoration work, an old walled space was discovered containing remnants of historical layout, including traces of planting beds, fruit trees, and stone boundaries. The restoration team realized they had uncovered a garden likely dating back centuries, hidden behind thick walls and forgotten as the estate evolved. Today, it has been revived while respecting the original structure, creating a space that feels ancient yet alive. Wandering through it is like discovering a lost chapter in Scottish horticultural history. Every corner whispers of quiet routines from long-ago eras, tending, planting, harvesting, now preserved for new generations to appreciate. 3. The Village with No Roads, the remote haven of Knoydart. Knoydart sits on Scotland's rugged west coast and is one of the nation's most isolated communities. What makes it remarkable is that there's no direct road connecting it to the rest of the country. To reach the village of Inverry, you either take a boat from Mallaig or hike for miles through challenging highland terrain. Its isolation isn't the result of abandonment, but geography. The surrounding mountains create natural barriers that have kept Knoydart remote for centuries. Despite this, a small community lives there, maintaining traditions and creating a lifestyle rooted in independence and connection to the land. The peninsula is known for stunning scenery, gentle hospitality, and a pace of life that feels untouched by outside pressure. In many ways, Knoydart represents a rare kind of harmony between people and environment. A secret Scotland holds close. 2. The Fairy Pools That Change Color, Isle of Skye. The Isle of Skye is full of dramatic landscapes, but the fairy pools stand out as one of its most enchanting secrets. These crystal-clear pools sit at the foot of the Black Quillan Mountains, fed by streams that stay remarkably pure. What surprises many people is how their colors shift depending on light, minerals, and weather conditions. On bright days, the pools shine in shades of turquoise, At other times, they appear deep blue or even green. This natural variation adds to the site's dreamlike quality, making the pools feel almost alive. They aren't just beautiful, they're an excellent example of how Scotland's landscapes can appear to transform from moment to moment. The fairy pools show how nature, geology, and weather combine to create visual magic, making this spot one of Scotland's most mesmerizing natural wonders. 1. Scotland's desert, the mysterious sands of Morar. Scotland may be known for moors, mountains, and misty glens, but the area around Morar offers something entirely different, a landscape that resembles a desert. While the climate doesn't classify it as a desert, scientifically, the terrain features large stretches of pale, wind-shaped sand that create a striking contrast to the Highlands. The sands near Camusdarach and Morar Beach formed from natural coastal processes, creating dunes that shift subtly over time. The water here is famously clear, giving the shoreline a surprising tropical appearance. It's a place where expectations about Scotland fall away. The surroundings look like they belong somewhere far warmer. The landscape is real, unusual, and undeniably breathtaking. Morar remains one of Scotland's most surprising hidden secrets, precisely because it challenges what people think they know about the country's geography. From underground streets to color-changing pools and unexpected pyramids, Scotland has a remarkable ability to surprise even the most seasoned explorers. These hidden wonders remind us that the country's magic isn't limited to the famous sights. It's woven quietly into every corner, waiting for anyone curious enough to look a little closer. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.